Matrix multiplication. Now to start with, we're just going to look at a row matrix multiplying a column matrix. Matrix multiplication is where this starts to get a little bit more difficult, but it's important that you know all the definitions that have gone before in order to do this. The product of a row matrix by a column matrix can only be found if the number of columns in the row matrix is the same as the number of rows in the column matrix. So for example, if we have the matrix A, which is A, B, C, so we can see that that is a 1 by 3 matrix, and B is a 3 by 1. So the number of columns in this matrix is the same as the number of rows in this matrix. So we can then do ABC multiplied by XYZ. Now the way that this is done is that you turn this matrix up on its side like so. And when I write this, what I mean is that we're going to do A times X, and then B times Y, and C times Z. So this isn't actually a proper notation. I've written this here in order to demonstrate what happens. What we get is AX, add BY, add CZ. So in actual fact, our product matrix just has the one element, because this would just be a number. So we have a 1 by 1 matrix. Consider the order of the original matrices and the product. Now I know that we've looked at that a little bit here, but it's so important that let's just go through that again. We had a 1 by 3 matrix, and we multiplied it by a 3 by 1 matrix. The fact that the middle numbers, when we write it out like this, are the same tells us that we can do the multiplication. So matrices in general can only be multiplied if these middle numbers are the same. Then we have the outside numbers here, and that gives us the order of the product matrix. The product matrix is 1 by 1. So this diagram here is really important in deciding whether or not you can do a matrix multiplication and what the order of the product matrix will be.